Hey, welcome everyone. Today in this video I'm going to do splash and water test of the new Xiaomi Redmi Note 11. So for that, let's begin the video. I'm going to start from spraying water, or if I say splash. Keep in mind this phone is IP53 rated, not the IP67 water resistant. So still I am taking this risk to see if this phone can survive little bit water or not. I will not suggest you to do this test at your home with your device. Just take this test as fun. I am spraying the water from all the sides, the bottom, the top, left and right, front and back. What are your opinions about this test? Please let me know in the comments below. Okay, so now let's see is phone working or not. Display is fine. Let's unlock the phone by fingerprint sensor. And yes, fingerprint sensor also working fine. Now let's dip the phone into little bit water. Let's take this risk also. I will dip the phone into water from all the sides. So this is the water test. I will again warn you not to perform this test at your home. So this was the water test of the Redmi Note 11. Now here I took few camera samples after water test and camera is working fine. Here are few selfies. Front camera also working fine. So this was the splash and water test of the Redmi Note 11. If you found this video interesting, then please like it and subscribe to my channel. See you in full review of the Redmi Note 11. Take care. Peace for all.